Hi, this is Mrs. Cavalier, and welcome to your database bite on the ABC-CLIO collection. You would find this database on the Northport High School Library website, which you can find through the Northport High School District page under Library and Internet Resources. So you would want to click up here where it says Databases up at the top. And then from here, you would want to scroll down, and you can see that it's found under English databases. You can find it under history databases, a couple different places. But I'll click here. Now, for this database, you have to always sign in with the username of Northport 1 and the password of Northport 1. And you would get to our full collection of databases. Now you'll see that it gives you, it's clicked on all databases, and you can see your databases here, or you can see your databases here that we carry. So you could either search all of the databases if you want, or if you know that you want a specific type of database, you can either choose them here, or you could just click on them. So let's say I wanted to search the Cold War. Maybe I'd go right into the American History database. And you can see that it gives you time periods right here. You can see all of them if you go through here, or you could do a search up here. So let's say you were looking up the Cold War. You could do a search. And it's going to give you everything that this database carries in terms of the Cold War, including topic pages, overviews, investigate activities. Let's say you just wanted reference articles and you were feeling a little overwhelmed by this. If you click up here where it says filters, you can actually filter out what you want to see and hit apply. And then it will just give you, now it's just giving you reference articles. So let's click on this first one. Now you'll see a full article on the Cold War. It's pretty extensive and concise. And then throughout it, you'll see that it also gives you hyperlinks to other articles. And on the left-hand side over here, you'll see that it gives you other reference articles as well as links to biographies and glossary terms in case you don't know what certain words mean, photos, illustrations, maps, speeches, political, government, and court documents, and quotes. So you really can find a lot of what you need, including primary sources, through this database. The pictures are really nice. You can click on a picture to enlarge it. And, you can see, some pretty interesting stuff through here. Now, let's say you wanted to save an article. The really nice thing is you just click the Save button, and it will open up, and then you would just click Save to Google Drive. You would connect it to your Google Drive, and it just saves it right there. If you're a teacher, you could click on Google Classroom. Okay. So you could also email it, but most people do not. If you wanted to print it, you'd go here. If you want to look at the citations before entering it into Noodle Tools, you'll see that it gives you APA, Chicago, and MLA style right all here. Okay, it gives you all of that information, and it is usually pretty correct in this database. If you need to listen to an article, you certainly can.
Let us not be deceived. Today we are in the midst of a Cold War.
And then also, if you need this translated into another, let's say you wanted this in French, you could then see the article in French if you wanted. See? And then if you just wanted to reset it, you could. This is really helpful for any of our English language learners. Okay, so that is our database bite. And I'm Mrs. Cavalier. Have a great day.